First thing you're gonna do when you get your windshield from SuperATV, get the windshield out of the box and take it and make sure that it fits on the machine before you remove the protective film. Looks like the windshield will fit good on the machine, so we're gonna head back over to the bench and peel off the protective film. The next step is going to be to apply the 90-degree bulb seal to the windshield. We're only going to do this to the outer portion that's going to be fixed to the machine, and you want to make sure that the bulb portion is facing inward towards the machine or towards the side with all the bracketry for the vent portion of the lower windshield. You'll want to start by applying the bulb seal to this location here. Follow the contours of the windshield. Then you want to run the bulb seal all the way into this corner here, and once you get there, you want to cut off the excess. Then we're going to take our straight bulb seal and apply it to the lower portion of the windshield that's going to fold in and out. Again, making sure that the bulb portion of the seal is facing towards the inside of the machine. Once you've ran the bulb seal all the way across the lower portion of the windshield, you're going to want to come right here on the corner and cut off the excess. Then go back and make sure that the bulb seal all the way around the windshield is fully seated. Take your provided gasket, and we're going to apply it across the lower portion of the bracket, all the way across. And once you have it all the way across this bracket here, you're going to want to cut off the excess. Once you have your two bulb seals and gasket installed on the windshield, it's time to get it installed on the machine. Next, take your provided clamps and attach the windshield to the cage. You want to make sure that you get the windshield up as high as it'll go. Tighten down that strap, and we're going to move to the opposite side. Now we're going to attach our lower clamps to each side. Once you have all four clamps on, you want to loosen the screws on both sides. That control the adjustment for the vent of the windshield. Once they're all the way loose, you want to make sure that the windshield opens and closes good. And that's how super easy it is to install SuperATV's full vented windshield on this Polaris RZR 1000. For more information on this windshield or any of SuperATV's great products, give us a call at 855-743-3427 or check us out online at superatv.com. Thanks for watching and have a great day.